How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over how you can hook up one of our Striker or Virtue traffic advisors to a Striker or Virtue dash light using our direct control box. Now, for example, here I brought a MultiColor Virtue 8 in red, blue, amber, so you'll notice my unit is flashing back and forth between its primary red, blue and its secondary amber colors. And then you also have your pattern changer here, so you can cycle to a pattern you'd like. And then this unit does have memory recall, so you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have your traffic advising functions here, so you have your center out, you have your left right, and your right left as well. And then you also have your slow and fast function here, so you can cycle between slow or fast, whether you're in traffic advisor or warning mode there as well. And then over here, I went ahead and hooked up a MultiColor Virtue 2 in red, blue, clear to the aux. So you'll notice I can turn on my dash light or turn my dash light off if I would like to, using the aux switch here. And that does have independent control of your traffic advisor, so you can just run your dash light on, or you can just run your traffic advisor on as well if you would like to. So you'll see my traffic advisor is activated, and then there's my dash light again. So you'll see that this is a perfect setup if you need a traffic advisor and a dash light run off of one control box. And again, that is very easy to do by hooking up the power and ground cables. After you have your pattern set, you'll hook up your power and ground cables from your Striker or Virtue dash light to the aux cable that will be on the cable harness coming from your traffic advisor. So again, this is a perfect option if you need to run a traffic advisor and a dash light off of one control box. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.